Size matters, and Godox just dropped a 2400 watts light. Check it out. DIYPhotography.net, IBC 2023. I'm here with Ramon from Godox. And Ramon, what is this beast?
We just released a new MG2400 bi LED light. It's the one of the biggest we have right now. It's giving even more power than it says on the light. It's giving 2600 watts output. So this is really one of the big guns.
And when you're saying BI, you mean bicolor, right?
Bicolor, yeah. On the whole, 2800 to 6500. And it will remain 2600 watts on the whole spectrum.
So constant power. And I did hear you say 26,000 watts, where the name is 24. So tell me about this.
They really want to be on the safe side to secure the output is what it says on the box.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talk to me about specs. So CRI, IP rating, what are we looking at?
CRI is 97. IP rating is 54, so you can use this in the rain, no problem.
So when you say rain, this is like, will it just like a light rain or heavy rain? Help our readers understand what does IP54 mean?
You can use it in heavy rain. Yeah, just all outside conditions will not be an issue.
Okay, and I assume 2400 watts will not be battery operated. How do you power this thing?
In Europe, you can just plug this in your regular socket. For the States, that will be a little bit different.
So yeah, because it's 240 volts, 110 volts, so probably three-phased.
Probably, yeah.
So obviously this has a bigger mount than the Bowens mount. Tell us a little about the mount that it's using and the accessories that you have.
Godox is making the new G mount that you can see here. They made a bigger mount because the regular Bowens mount they used before is just not big enough to put this kind of output out. And then you have 2400 watts, but it will not be as effective as with the G mount. They have a ton of reflectors, lanterns, softboxes, Fresnel, spotlight attachment. So yeah, the whole lineup is ready.
And I'm seeing there are contacts on the reflector. What are those for?
Exactly, yeah, you've seen it right. If you take off an accessory, the light will automatically turn off, so you won't be blinded by the light. Also, when you use the spotlight attachment, the power to the connectors will turn on the fan.
So, like your gaffers and your lighting guys will really appreciate that. You don't need to turn the light off; it automatically turns off.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, when can I get this thing?
Probably this will be released end of the year. Yeah. Also, price will be available then.
Ramon, thank you. This looks like a beast. I can't wait to see what it does. Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Do you have a ballpark pricing for me?
Unfortunately, we don't.
Okay, I'm just going to assume it's not going to be cheap. DIY Photography, IBC 2023. Stick around and watch some more coverage from the show.